in this video I'm going to show you how you can clear the cache for your PS5. First, you want to press the PS5 button on your controller and completely turn off your console here. So we're gonna go and select turn off PS5. Once you turn off the PS5, then you will need to press and hold onto the button here on the PS5 for about 7 to 8 seconds. So you wanna hear 2 beeps. Okay, and now once you see the screen, then you will need to plug in your controller to the USB port. So once you plug it in like that, now it's gonna let you press the power button here, and you will see the option clear cache and rebuild database. Once you click on that, then that's gonna clear the cache. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.